So what does that mean? Well, we have an unknown. In primary school, you would have seen this. But basically all we do is we turn that into a giant X. It's not two C's, it's not a bag of chips. So, what do we do to solve this? Well, you do the opposite of adding 2. So you take 2 off here, take 2 off here, take 2 off here, take 2 off here, and it's 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So, you would take 5 off there, so you take 5 off there, so that would become 7. X plus 5 is 12, X equals 7. You're just doing the opposite. So in this one here, X minus 3 is 4. Primary school days, you would have seen this, and nobody would have flinched. Suddenly we put in the letter of the alphabet and all heck breaks loose. So we would add on 3. So we add on 3, and that would be 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So X in this case is 7. Here we do the opposite of minusing 9, we add 9. So we add 9 onto 12, which would make 21. So X equals 21. This is a symbol for divide. You've seen it in fractions. So something divided by 3 is 6. So this is what it would look like in your primary school days. This is what it looks like now. So we do the opposite of dividing by 3, which is timesing by 3. So we times by 3. Opposite, times by 3, times by 3. So X in this case would be 18. So the opposite of dividing by 2 is timesing by 2. So we times by 2. So in primary school days it would be something divided by 2 equals 5, and none of us would have run screaming to the back of the room. So we divide by 2 by undoing that by timesing by 2. So you times by 2. So that will give you 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So X is 10. Now, it's quite hot in this space. Algebraian people are quite lazy. They will put a number and a letter next to each other, and you're supposed to know that that is timesing. So this means 3 times something is 12. So in primary school days, you would have seen this. Nobody would have panicked. You would have remembered your family of facts. But in this case, you're going to undo the timesing of the 3. So if you undo timesing by 3, you divide by 3. That gets rid of that. Divide that by 3, and you get 4. X equals 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Old school would have seen 10 times mystery box equals 100. So in this case, we will divide by 10, and that will give us 10. Now the only other operation that you need to be able to undo at level 4 is your exponents. So here we have something squared is 49. So to undo a square, we square root. So we square root that side too. So you will end up with the square root of 49 being 7. So X equals 7. The opposite of square rooting is squaring. So to get rid of the square root, we will square. So we will square. And when we do that, we will find that X equals 100.